Hello dear Virgos, welcome to my channel and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Let's see what's going to happen for you in your career first. You've got the Three of Moons and the Burning Tower. Well, I do see that there is a celebration that you're hoping for. A sudden change is going to happen in your life. I do see that it could be that you will be ending something this week or something will abruptly end for you, which was not working out for you, which was not good for you, which was not connecting you to your higher path, and something new will begin for you. It can be a new career field, a new opportunity that will show or present itself automatically, or a new business or change of field or change of job that you're doing. But this will not come that easily or smoothly as I'm telling you. This will come with a big shocking change. This is an opportunity that we're talking about which is something you least expected. You're not going to expect it. So it can come across as a shock that what just happened? I had my whole life planned around this situation. This cannot change. But it will change. If you have not been taking care of yourself, please check for your health issues because there will be health issues, illnesses which will put you on the right path. If you have been focusing too much on your career, not focusing on yourself, situation will change now. If you're focusing too much on your career, not focusing on your relationships, they will start falling out. Your friendships start falling out, right? Something will happen which will automatically show you the right path. If you're straying from your right path, it will show you that you have been going off the rail and you have to come back to the right path. So expect some huge endings in your career, something which was not working out for you, and new beginnings will happen for sure. So let go of whatever opportunities which are rejecting you, not taking you, or not hiring you, and welcome all the opportunities that are coming your way. Even if they seem like they're not meant for you and this is not what you wanted, or maybe you're settling down for something really, really less. But trust me, this is going to put you on your right path, higher purpose. Okay. So let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the Seven of Moons and the Moon card. I do see that you're overthinking and fantasizing your love situation or your partner. You think that maybe they are, really cool or ideal or perfect partner, but let me tell you, there is no such thing as a perfect partner or a perfect relationship. You're dreaming about it, you're fantasizing about it, and it's nowhere perfect. You've got the Moon card here, which is a card of hidden intentions and deceit. Your partner here is right now uh, deceiving you in some way, lying to you in some way, cheating on you. Their intentions are not pure, their intentions are not honest. There is something which is hidden from you. Okay, it's not a surprise which will make you happy. It is something which is not for your good. Even if you think that no, they have always been nice to me, they've spent so much money on me, or they were there celebrating my birthday, they specially traveled for me. Let me tell you that they had some hidden intentions over there as well. They had something to benefit out of it. That is why they have taken that step. It is not you. Unless and until there is something in store for them, this person will not take action. So please make sure that you're not trusting people easily. If this is your own spouse, partner, or a situationship person whom you just met, no matter what your situation is, this is not a time to trust easily. This is a time to be careful. This is a time where you are required to follow your intuition. Your intuition will really guide you, tell you what is exactly happening, and even your dreams. Follow your dreams. Take a notepad and start writing your dreams because your dreams have very important messages to give you. If you have vivid dreams, if you do dream, please start making notes. Trust me, they will be guiding you and showing you a true picture of someone around you. So please make sure that you're not trusting anyone easily. If I talk about your overall week, Virgos, it is going to be challenging because there is a sudden shocking change that will happen. Something which will really change your whole perspective, your whole reality and whole life as it is right now. But trust me, this change is only for your better. The universe is only always thinking about you. No matter how bad the situation feels right now, trust the universe and go with the flow this week. Okay. So yes, if you guys resonated with this reading, if this has already started happening with you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you would like to book your own personal reading, I take personal readings as well. I have a host of services, packages, exclusive love readings, exclusive no contact readings, rituals and counseling sessions as well. Please check out the description box below, and to make any bookings, either email me or directly DM me on my Instagram handle. And guys, please, that's a new channel that I've opened up so that you guys are more updated. I also keep on posting the prices in my stories on a daily basis. So please follow me on Instagram, subscribe me here as well, show some love to my channel. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.